Oh, yeah.
Y'all, I'm back home. That's all I filmed today. I'm sorry. It's not easy to just pull a whole camera out in the middle of class and be like, and it's like, not only that, but some of my seats are in like the middle of class, so it'd be very like weird for me to just whip my camera out. And hold up, I'm thinking of more excuses I can make right now. Yeah, it's just, you're not supposed to do that, and you're not supposed to have other people on camera without their permission, you know. No, y'all, you know, I'm proud of what I was able to get today. It was a lot going on since this was a short day. Our classes were like, I think 45 minutes, so, and there was an assembly. It was a lot today, so, you know, I'm gonna keep doing this, y'all. I'm gonna keep trying to get more and more along the way, and eventually I might get some people on camera eventually, maybe. But yeah, for now it's gonna be like a slow ramp up process. Okay, y'all, today was a good day at school. The drives home were scary because it's these people on these roads, y'all. I swear they do not make me, they honestly, the people on these roads make me not want to drive anymore. Like, it's, you know, it's bad when every single time I go home I see somebody do something stupid. Like, it's bad. And I'm just, it just make me a little hesitant and not really as eager to get out there with these idiots. To be frank, idiots. Yeah, no, I don't want to be out there with them. But despite that, I still have to do it because I explained this to you on my other video. I gotta get it done. It's a necessary. I mean, it's a necessary. Like, with people's schedules and commutes, it would make everybody's lives more easier if I was able to drive myself. So I have to learn. Still am learning and currently in the process. I just gotta learn and learn real good defensively too. Like, the people I talk to say, you can't drive for yourself. You have to drive for yourself and everybody else, because some people don't know what they doing. So you got to be looking in front of you, in front of the car, in front of the car, in front of you, behind the car, behind your car, behind the car, behind you, to your right, to your left, your blind spots. It's like you gotta be looking everywhere. And you know what's crazy? Me and my mom was talking about this morning, and right when she said that, this Dodge Charger just starts whipping out from the it was about to whip out real fast from the side street onto the main street where we was at. That was too on command with what she said. It was like, it was too coincidental how them two things lined up. I wonder, is driving in different places other than LA different? Like, how is it different? Are there less idiots in certain areas? Are there more idiots in certain areas? Like, I just want to know. I'm really over this though. It's like, these people make me not want to drive, y'all. They just make dumb decisions. It's Tuesday, March 14th, 7:04 a.m. Today's gonna be my second day trying to vlog. It still might not get anything because it's a very hectic week. Like, they starting to give us practice exams and all this new stuff popping up, so yeah. Today is celebrity day, or like merch, or wear your favorite artist day or whatever. She's not my favorite anymore, but it's the only merch I have. So I put on this Billie Eilish sweatshirt with a little chain. She used to wear these, and then some black jeans and some neon green Vapor Max thingies. And yeah, I wish I could just whip out my camera and film like this, but I can't. I'm sorry. It's not happening. No, no. Maybe one day, but not today.